Welcome to ChartMill. In the documentation section, we have recently added 2 new articles in ChartMill where we give some information about the specific candlestick pattern, more specifically the bullish and the bearish engulfing pattern. And in this article, we'll explain how the pattern originates and what it exactly contains. At the bottom of the article, you'll find a direct link to the stock screening page. The screen is very basic and consists of the following filters. Only US stocks with a minimum price of $10, an average volume of at least 500k, and in this case we've selected the bullish engulfing pattern. Note that there are quite a few other candlestick patterns available for filtering, and these will be discussed in other articles and videos. These default settings can be changed in the different tabs of the stock screener. For example, I can change the minimum price from 10 to 5 and change the minimum volume to 1 million in the general tab. You will notice that the result changes. You can fine-tune the screen even further by adding other properties, or you can add the candlestick patterns as an extra filter on other existing screens. A bullish engulfing pattern occurs when a negative candle with a relatively small body is followed by a positive candle with a larger body. It is important that the body of the second candle fully encompasses the body of the first candle. Ideally, the second candle has no or only a very small wick at the top. And this combination tells us a number of things. The opening price of the second candle was lower than the closing price of the first candle. So the day starts with a gap down and sellers are in control. However, during the trading session, we notice that buyers get the upper hand and push the price up with a closing price that ends positively. The shorter the upper wick of the second candle, the shorter the closing price at the highest price of that day. An even stronger signal that buyers really have the upper hand. So what about the entry setup? Well, let's take a look at the ticker ARLP. Since May 2019, the price has dropped beneath the 200 MA, so the long-term trend is negative. Mid-December 2019 until the end of 2020, the short-term trend of ARLP is rising again. But it is important to note that at that time the long-term trend is still declining, with the stock price still below the 200-day moving average. After the 1st of January, 2 consecutive bearish engulfing patterns suddenly appear. In the following months, price drops from $12 to a low of just $2.7. At the beginning of March, after 2 consecutive ascent days, a third bearish engulfing pattern formed, which was another great opportunity to get on board if you had missed the first setups. Entering a long position after a bullish engulfing setup is pretty straightforward. Use a buy stop limit order just a few cents higher than the highest price of the second candle forming the engulfing pattern. The entry price is slightly higher to ensure ourselves that price is going up after the entry signal. If, for whatever reason, price doesn't go up after the entry pattern has appeared, the order will not be executed. A stop loss can be set just below the lowest price of the 2 candles that form the bullish engulfing pattern. Now, not every bullish or bearish engulfing pattern will become a winning trade. Good risk and trade management is at least as important to be successful in the long term. So use our position sizing tool to calculate how many shares you can buy, taking into account your desired risk and your total available cash. We've also added the links to the bearish and bullish engulfing screen. Trade safe.